Welcome back. Incessant rain have paralyzed common man's life in the state. People are facing hardship due to failure on the part of local administration to finish the pre-monsoon work. Have a look at the various events in the state.
A culvert connecting two villages, Sasnamodi and Khade at Bali, washed away due to incessant rains, cutting off all the links between two villages. PWD officials started work on Wednesday as an immediate measure, but the locals have demanded a permanent solution.
1700 लोक असं म्हणजे वरस्त ना आला त्या लोकांक वचपाक आनी खंयचीच वाट ना आता हे पळय काम केला हे सारखे जाला दिसता तुमका
काम सारखे झालं ना ते
कित्याक म्हणटा तुमी
ती पाईप ब्लॉक झाले असतात आणि आता ही माती घालची परत पावस येयल्यार व्हारून परत माती वयतली
परत पावस येयल्यार परत व्हारून वचपाचे चान्सेस आसा कशें जावपाचें हांगा कितें जावपाचें
वयर सायडीन दोनी सायडीन त्या चिऱ्यान बांदकाम करपाक जाय आणि पाईप ओपन दवरपाक जाय तिनूच
Khareban in Madgaon is one of the flood-prone area. Have a look. Look at the height of water level. South Goa collector has shifted the residents of this area to Nehru Stadium in Madgaon on Tuesday. However, most of them returned home on Wednesday. Sources say that they were not provided any facilities, not even food.
Commercial city in Madgaon was also seen flooded completely. Commuters and pedestrians had to face hardships. Have a look. The rainwater carried dumped garbage in the city. Partial landslide at Raya damaged two houses in the area. However, no human injuries are reported. Additional Collector V.B. Tawade has asked the families to shift to other locations till the mud removal operation is over.
कितल्यांक सुमार कोसळ्ळेले
नवा सुमार कोसळ्ळें
नवा सुमार कितें इफेक्ट जालो तुमकां
इफेक्ट काय जालें ना फाटल्यान थोडे मोडलां पत्रे आसत ते आनी थंय टॉयलेटी बाथरुमान माती
We are removing them for safe place. Otherwise, it is dangerous night time if something happens further.
In Calvado, Naveli Dominic Fernandez claimed that due to alleged illegal land filled by a builder, the rainwater entered his house.
इथे ते वयल्यासून उदक पट देंवून हाडला त्या कांय सांगिल्लें त्या उदक लायसन दिनाक म्हूण पंचायतान पयशे घेवन लायसन दिलें सरपंचान आनी पंचायत वार्ड पंचायत तांकां दाखयतालें वयरसून उदक येता ताका हाडल्यान ड्रेनेज आसलोली ती तेणी ड्रेनेज हें केलो ना आनी ते कोण विचारता कोण ना हिंगा आनी आतां उदक बंद मुगे सगळ्यांक घरान भितर उदक येयलां आनी मुगे दुर्गांतल्यान उदक पास जाता.
The general public and school children were put to hardships as the subway near Damodar Vidyalaya, Madgaon was submerged in waist-deep water. The worker working at the site said that the flood water had entered the subway, causing the nuisance. Meanwhile, scene in Mapsa city wasn't different. The failure on the part of the municipality to desilt the drainages has created inconvenience to the Mapshekars. There is no way out for the rainwater. Have a look. Moreover, water entered into the houses situated in low-lying areas. Locals are annoyed with the municipality officials. Devkar family at Ansabad in Mapsa faced a hard time.
काय मरे निकठो हो 3 वर्सांनी बांधल्या बांधलेल्या हे अशें आता आनी हे अशें भरून म्हाका आतां 40-42 बालद्यो वत घाले.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Brother murdered his elder brother at Vada Kundai on Tuesday. Police say that both the brothers were not in good terms with each other and there used to be frequent clashes between the duo. Ponda police have arrested Sagar Naik for murdering his brother Ratnakar. Meanwhile, Kunkuri police have cracked the very murder case. Grandsons have murdered their grandma. Police arrested 5 accused, including 2 grandsons of the deceased Linda Andrade.
काल रातीक 10:30 सुमार हो इन्सिडेंट दोघे भाव झगडटाले व्हडलो भाव रत्नाकर आनी धाकटो ताजो दुसरो भाव सागर दोगूय पिल्ले आसले अशें ती म्हणटा घरांतली आनी व्हडल्या भावाक धाकट्या भावान भितर हाडून तोंडार भरपूर मुट्यो मारले दिसता मारलो तो थंयच ऑन द स्पॉट मेलतो मेल्या उपरांत ताणें ताका भायर हाडून दवरलो. धाकटो भाव तिसरो तो आडोवपाक आयलो ताकाय तेणी मारलो. तेज्या पयलीं सागर जो आरोपी आसा एक्यूज तेणी ते आपल्या आवयकूय मारलेली आपल्या आवय मारून धांवून मारली आनी ते पिल्ल्या नेटार तेंच्यांनी हें केलें आनी ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केला तेका दोगूय अरेस्ट केला.
Mother of these brothers claims that both were under the influence of alcohol. She says both were not in good terms with each other over the property matter.
दोळ्याचेर मूठ मारली दिसता त्याका दोळ्याचेर मूठ मारले म्हणटकीर दोळो त्याचो बेसूर जालो म्हणून तेजे कडल्यान मार घेतले तेणें जाल्यार तो ताका मारतलो हे
कित्याक झगडटा तर ते कित्याक लागून झगडटा
प्रियन रे बाबा तेंचे कडेन कळना मस्त तुजेची करमडी म्हाजें घर तुजें घर भायर सर तूं आनी कितें
Meanwhile, Goa police have cracked the Veli murder case. 5 accused, including 2 grandsons of the elderly victim, have been arrested by the police. Grandsons murdered their 65-year-old grandma. Linda Andrade was found dead at her residence at Veli on May 11th.
Mrs. Linda, wife of Cajitan Andrade, aged 65 years, was murdered at her house in Veli when her husband, Sri Cajitan Andrade, had gone out at Sanjay Daria to bring lovebirds. Now in this case, we have arrested 3 juveniles, 3 minors, that is 2 brothers, the grandsons of the deceased, one of their friend from Ramanford who is also a minor. Then we have arrested Dattaraj Satoskar, whose vehicle was used and who had driven both of them to Veli. Then we have arrested the receiver of the stolen property, that is Ansel Mascarenes. Now all the 3 juveniles, they will be remanded to observation home.
Our reporters Vivek Prabhu and Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.